let's do a mini-series on this restoration. It's time to work on the old Coleman. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the bearings, make sure they look good. And these lugs, the lug bolts, I wanna see what size they are because I think I might get some other ones. We're already getting rims and tires for her. I'm gonna take the little tub off the frame and we're gonna go and sand, Ospho, and paint the frame. Do a little restoration. I'm probably gonna do all the wiring on here, redo that as well. We're gonna go and take the red paint off so we get this orange finish back. So I'll probably have to buff this out. There's been alterations to the frame on here. Like I said, they put a 2-inch receiver on there. And I'm looking down inside here and they got plate steel welded in here. But this will be nice for the bike rack. Already have it registered. I was able to register it. That's good. Now it's time to restore this thing. Looks like there's been recent service to this thing. I think this has had recent service. I got a new cotter pin in here. Looks like everything's pretty much greased in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and re-grease it anyway. We got stainless steel hardware on here. These bolts. Now I'm thinking it had some type of recent service. I don't know, it's got a lot of rust here. Now they took it down to the water. They had kayaks on it. We just had flooding here recently with salt water and stuff too. I don't know if that might be causing the rust here. Who knows? All right, we got her up on jack stands. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the tub first. There's 4 bolts in here. So I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna start with the back first. Right where this is. Oh, shoot. All right, we got the tub off. We're gonna go ahead and address the frame. Looks like we got a little peeling here, maybe some rottage. I don't like these welds. Looks like they broke. So I'm gonna grind them down and probably weld it back. Gonna go ahead and Ospho it and repaint it. That's where we're at right now. It's going pretty good. Doing some sanding, some grinding, getting it all smooth. All right, guys, got so excited I forgot to record packing the bearings with grease. I ran Lucas Red and Tacky grease, so it's really good grease. I caked it all in here, the whole, everything in there. So it's all like basically flowing out. It doesn't matter how much grease you put in there. I always just put a lot in there just as a precautionary. But got the frame mostly sanded down. I'm gonna do a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and Ospho it. All right, guys. Now we're gonna go ahead and Ospho the whole frame. So here we go. We got it all Ospho'd. We're gonna go ahead and let it set for a few days, maybe a little longer, and then we'll go ahead and undercoat it. Put a nice paint on it, black paint. And we should be ready to pressure wash the tub and get all that red off. That's all we got for today, guys. We'll see you guys on the next run. See ya.